Taxes, for most of us, are the worst thing we do all year. So, I'm gonna do 3 tax tips, and here's why you care. It's gonna be for 3 different groups: employees, side hustlers, and business owners. We're going in 8 minutes, cover ways to save you thousands. Really fast. Y'all wanna see Ryan? I'm gonna get out of your way, but you're gonna do some tax stuff first. And the reason we care is it's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Y'all agree?
Yeah.
All right, let's say it. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. Come on. It's not how much you make, it's how much you keep. All right, that's all that's important. So here we go. Employees, 3 things for you. Save you thousands on taxes. Number 1, $600 above the line charitable contribution this year. You contribute to any charity, which all of you contribute at least $600 a year. That's the top of the line deduction. You don't have to itemize your BS stuff. You ain't got to keep up with the whole lot. $600, boom, there you go. Part of the COVID rules. Save you $200 or $300 on your taxes. That's more than covering your ticket here. All right, number 2, child tax credit. It's like going way up. Doubled, higher rates. You pay the babysitter. You pay after school care. You pay dependent care. Tons of credits there with child tax credit. Take advantage of that this year. It's huge. You're going to get thousands of dollars in credits. Credits is dollars in your pocket. Number 3, become some sort of entrepreneur or side hustle. That's where the money's at. That's where you start offsetting W-2 income. That's where you start really saving money and controlling your taxes. Find some sort of side hustle. Find something you want to do. Which leads us into the side hustler topic. Number 1 tax tip for side hustlers: write off all the stuff you're currently spending that can be business related. Cell phones, home internet, home office. If you see clients at home, percentage of your landscaping, decor for your home office, all the things you're spending already, it doesn't cost you any more money. You just save 30-40% of it back in your pocket on taxes. Number 2, write off the things you want. Find a way to make the things you want part of your business. Trailers, UTVs, vehicles, new computers, all the fun stuff, software subscriptions, Instagram influencers. Write off all kind of stuff. Save tons of money. Number 3, for side hustlers and entrepreneurs, pay your kids. You can pay your kids up to $12,000 each per year, and they don't have to pay any taxes on it. If you got 3 kids, that's $36,000 you can write off. That puts about $15,000 back in your pocket. Pay your kids, throw it into whatever you want to for some investment plan, it'll be awesome. All right, business owners. Right here, you get to write off sponsorships. You get to write off donations. Anything you're doing in the community. Johnny Mac, platinum sponsor. Saving $3-4 grand in taxes by being a sponsor. See? It's just that easy. Number 2, rent your house out for your business. Most of you know about the Augusta rule. It's big here in Athens. You can rent your personal house out up to 14 days a year and not pay any taxes. But here's what most people don't know. You can rent it out with your business. You can have your business rent your house out for a quarterly business retreat. Save, I don't know, $15,000, maybe $20,000 in taxes. You write it off on the business side, you don't have to claim on the personal side if you do it less than 14 days. That's huge. Number 3 for business owners, trips. Biannual trips, corporate retreats, business planning trips, your spouse, your business partner. Go somewhere once or twice a year. Make it a business trip. Plan your budgets, set your goals. There's certain rules around it. You get to write that trip off. So those are 3 tax tips for all 3 groups of people that are in the audience that will save you thousands of dollars. Taxes are part of business. Taxes are part of life. But that doesn't mean we have to pay at the highest rate. We find ways to get them down because it's not what you make, it's what you keep. That's what's most important. That's where we're getting real technical and we're giving you advice to save you thousands of dollars. Now, I'm going to leave you with 3 crazy tax deductions that have passed audits and passed tax court. Number 1, cat and cat food. There's a company, they started losing inventory to rats and snakes. They started writing off buying cats and buying cat food. Went through an audit, the IRS passed it. That's a legitimate business expense, it's saving inventory. Number 2, beer. Woo! That's right, everybody's excited about that. How do I write off beer?
I mean, seriously, dude?
Yeah!
Seriously?
It's after lunch, man. We're doing tax tips. You want to
We're
make
doing
fun of
crazy tax tips.
me for doing a rap this morning? You're doing tax tips in the afternoon after lunch?
God forbid we get some really good advice at this business summit. It's not just all kumbaya and motivation.
Wouldn't be the first time I cut you off when we're talking about beer, would it?
God forbid we're like, save the money we're working so hard to make.
Oh my gosh.
Beer.
Keep going.
Promo item. Company said, hey, we're going to give away beer to every customer that comes to the door for a week. They got to write off beer, giving it away. And then the third one, you're going to really like this one, body oil. Oh boy, where are we going with this? How do you write off body oil? Any guesses? Anybody? Professional bodybuilders. They get to write off body oil. They use body oil for competitions. They make money at competitions. They get to write it off. Those are your 3 crazy tax deductions and 3 for your category to help you today. That is the end of the tax talk. I will not bore you anymore. Are you happy now? You can get back to kumbayas and rah-rah-rahs and all the things Josh believes in and rapping and tracksuits and all this.
Yeah, I was really hoping somebody was going to start throwing out some guesses there for the body oil thing.
That concludes this special edition of the Entrepreneur Adventure Podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, leave us a review and share it with a friend. And if you have some guesses as to what body oil should have been written off for, you can find us online at The Entrepreneur Adventure or at theentrepreneuradventure.com. Until next time, thanks for joining us.